Hello, this is Blue on Blue Point Trading. It is the 28th of June, 2013, the end of the month, end of the week. Time to start adding up the chips for the month, see how you did. And how are the markets doing right now? Well, we've had this big steep climb out of the basement, and it's got up to our 1600, even a little bit past. And you know, these things kind of go farther than you think, so it looks like we could get a little higher today. But I think it's going to definitely peter out at 1620, 1625, and then maybe back off, back down to 1600. So looking for that rise to 1620, 1625, and then back off to 1600. And then we'll take it a day at a time and see where it goes from there. That might even take a couple days to do that. Working, actually, there's a downtrend line, so we may have to come back down and re-challenge these lows at some point. And on the bonds, kicking back up a little bit here. So it looks like we're trying to get back up to the trend line here to 137. So let's see if that happens. It might, again, take a day or two to do that. On the Forex, we're starting to get a break up here after the sell-off here. Looks like we're going to get some dollar weakness here. So looking for 131, 131.50 on the euro today. On the pound, same kind of thing. Got a little bit of reversal off the bottom there. Looking for a rise back up onto the trend line to the 153 area, maybe a little bit more. And we'll take it one step at a time. So the call is up. And on the yen, looking for a breakup here on the 4-hour here, looking for this to advance, closing in on the 100 mark again at some point. On the Swiss, coming off a little bit here. So looking for this to come down a little bit, maybe get a reversal here back down to the trend line to the 94 area. On the Aussie, still in the doghouse. This little rise, looks like we could get a little rise here, but then eventually working our way and re-challenging the lows here on the Aussie. On the crude oil, it's powerful. Looks like we might get one more shot to the upside here. If it goes up right from here, I'll be looking to short up higher here around the 98, 98.50, 99 area here. If it comes off a little bit, then it might catch a bid here at the 96. So we'll have to play this via the 15-minute chart. Looking at the gold, obviously the gold is the big story here, big sell-off. We've had the first initial wave, now we have the second initial wave. There could be another third wave down to the 1,000 area, so watch out. But however, we're getting into an area where a lot of people will start looking to accumulate here. So we're looking for a bounce at some point. This is a week chart here to give you a big perspective. The breakout area was around the 1,000 area. There is pretty good support here at the 1,200. I think we'll get a bounce back up to as much as 1,300, and kind of work this between 1,200, 1,190 to the 1,300 area, and see if it can hold. If not, we could take a third leg down there for you Elliott wave people. So again, whatever you do, don't be panicking in the market.